So this is my 7th order in a week for Dave's Hot Chicken, and I know that the hype is still real. I mean, this is just my opinion, but those who've been giving Dave's Hot Chicken a bad review, I think they're just personally looking for some clout, in my personal opinion. Because how can you rate this lower than 9? No freaking way if that is possible. Because I've given this place a solid 9.7.
This is insanely addictive.
I mean, talking about value for money and quality, it's unmatched in my personal opinion, especially for the London quality, because Nashville was taking over London 2025. So I was wondering who is going to compete with Dave's Hot Chicken.
So good.